Good morning, students. Today's session we are going to learn the new topic is network from computer networks. As you all know about that, what is the meaning of network? Yes, network is an interconnected collection of autonomous computer is called as networks and other devices which are capable to communicate with each other, and they can share their data's hardware and software resources also. What is the meaning of interconnection? The term interconnection that there exist a path through which data can be transmitted from one computer to another. See the image, like this only our data are transferred. What are the advantages of networking? The first one is resource sharing. We can share our resource using the network. The second thing is cost saving. How it saves our cost? See, imagine without network, how we can transfer the data? Yes, it takes some time and it takes some cost also. For example, we need to send the data from one place to another place. Yes, the traveling the cost also, and it takes some time also. So the network, it saves time and cost also, and it will improve the user interaction also, and it will increase the storage capacity also. These are all the advantages of networking: resource sharing, cost saving, user interaction, time saving, and increased storage. Advantage of computer network. See the image, you can understand clearly the concept of advantage of network. You can share the files. It is flexible access. You can sit anywhere in any place. You can access the network. It gives us entertainment. During the COVID-19 networks only, it will it is entertaining. Yes, it gives us better communication. Advantage of computer networks, the next thing is internet access. You can access the internet in anywhere. It is an inexpensive system. Instant and multiple access, that means you can all the devices share the data to the device, any other device. Resource sharing, this like server, you can share the data to the all the computers. What is the disadvantage of computer network? Purchasing the network cabling and file servers can be expensive. If you are maintaining the long network, you need to purchase cable. It takes cost. It is an expensive also. And you are maintaining the large network, it is complicated. So it requires training, and network manager usually need to be employed. If the server breaks down, the files on the file server become inaccessible. Virus can spread to the computers throughout the computer network. If one system is affected by the computer, throughout the computer it will send the virus. And hacking also it is possible. So you must provide security like firewall. It will avoid the hackers to hack our data. So these are all the disadvantages of computer network. When you are using the long network, it needs some cable length, so it is a cost. And if the long network maintaining it is a complicated task, so you need to give the network manager proper training. If the file server fails, the total network will be affected. The next, virus can be spread throughout the network. You should avoid the virus. To protect from a virus, to protect our data from virus, we need to give security. Applications of computer network: email services, teleconferencing. Yes, you accessing online videos, no? The next, business, file and directory services. Evaluation of networking. Evaluation of networking, the first thing is ARPANET. ARPANET, it is a network. It was introduced in 1969 when US Department of Defense sponsored a project named ARPANET. That means Advanced Research Project Agency Network. In board exam, they will ask one word: the abbreviation of ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. The whole of this project was to connect computers at different universities and US defense. So main objective of this project, they have to connect different universities. After that ARPANET, that next agency, federal agency, they have introduced the network is NSFNet. That means National Science Foundation Network in the year of 1980. It is a high capacity network and it is used to be strictly for academic purpose only. And it is not work for any kind of private business. The year of 1990, the internetworking of ARPANET and NSFNet and other private networks resulted into Internet. So the first wide area network is ARPANET in the year of 1969. After that, they have introduced the network as NSFNet in the year of 1980. The next 1990, they have framed the network as Internet in the wide area network. So what is the meaning of Internet? Internet means it is a network for of the interlinked computing of the networking in worldwide. It is a super network. It connects many smaller networks together and it allows the computer to exchange the informations with each other. We can set the protocol called TCP/IP, that means Transmission Control Protocol, IP Internet Protocol. This TCP/IP protocol, it is used to send the message from one devices to another devices. What is mean by protocol? It is a set of rules. It is a set of rules to send the data from one devices to another devices. How the internet functions. The first step is the informations or file to be sent another computer. The message can be divided into number of packets. The second step is each packet is a given sequential number. For example, if one packet is divided into number of packets 5 means each packets have a sequential number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then packets are sent to the address of destination computer. That means who receiving the message. The destination computer receives the packets randomly. Then it will arrange the message packets in a correct order and they will receive the actual file. How the internet function? The first step is the message from the source computer, it will send the message. So the message can be divided into number of packets. The second step is the packets can be maintaining the number as a sequential number. The third step is the packets are sent to the destination computer. The destination computer receives the packets randomly. The last step is the packets are arranged in the correct order and get the actual informations or file. The next topic is interspace. Interspace is a client server software program. What does mean by client? What does mean by server? One who accessing the system, that is workstation. One who accessing the server, that person is called as client. Server means the main, it will have all the files. When the client give the request to the server find the result and it will send back to the client. So the interspace is a client server software program. It allows multiple users to communicate with the real time audio and video and text also, 3D environment also. It provides most advanced communications. It used for interconnecting space to manipulate the informations. Terms are used in networking. There are some terms to use the networking. The first one is node. Node is any device. That means node is a computer where we are sitting and working. So node is any device connected to a computer network and share the resources of the network. Server. Server is a computer designed to process request and deliver the data to the other computers over local area network or the internet. Server it is a computer, but it is designed for provide the data to the other computer, maybe in local network or the internet. There are two type of server is there: non-dedicated server, dedicated server. Non-dedicated server means it is not completely dedicated to the cause of serving. Dedicated server means it is completely dedicated to the cause of serving. The next one is Network Interface Unit, NIC. That means it is a computer hardware component. It connects computer in a computer network. If you want to connect two systems through the network, you can use NIC card. That means Network Interface Unit. Every computer connected with the network must have an NIC installed in it. Each NIU, that means Network Interface Unit, that is attached to the computer has a unique number identifying it, which known as node address. So each NI unit, that means Network Interface Unit, had a unique address. That address is called as what? MAC address. That address is called as what? MAC address. It has the unique number of identifying the each devices, and it is also known as terminal access point and network interface card. So the manufacturer itself, they will assign the physical address to the each NIC card, that is known as MAC address. That is known as what? MAC address. What we have completed today, what does mean by network? Network is a collection of interconnecting the collection of computers. What are the advantage of network? Resource sharing, cost saving, time saving, increased storage and increased communications also. What are the disadvantages? It is more expensive. We want to provide file security, and we want to give the proper training to the network managers, and virus which will affect, hacker will hack the data. Evaluation of networking. Evaluation of networking. The first we have introduced ARPANET in the year of 1969. The next 1988 they have introduced NSFNet. After that they have framed the 1990 Internet. The first WAN area network is ARPANET. The node, some terminologies used in the networking. Node is a computer that is connect to the computer network. Server also computer that is designed and delivers some data to other devices. There are two types of server: dedicated server, non-dedicated server. The next thing is network interface unit. It is used to connect the computer through the network. Manufacturer itself, they have designed the unique address for each network unit, that is called as network interface card. The address is called as MAC address. The network interface unit is also called as what? Network interface card or TAP. Thank you students. We will see in the next class.